Hey friends, it's Len here from 1A Auto. Today we're going to be working on our 2006 Toyota 4Runner, and I want to show you how to install some front floor mat clips. If you need these or any other part, check us out, 1aauto.com. Thanks. The way that these work, this part right here is going to press right into the hole. Once it's in, you put this in and it locks it. Once it's locked, it's pretty much in there for a long time. You could try to pull this out of there and more than likely get it out. But once it's in, it's kind of just in. So take it, start from one side, work it in. There it is. Awesome. It can pivot around. It doesn't pop up and out of there. Perfect. We're going to do the same thing for this one. Just get it like that, like that. Awesome.
Thanks for watching. Visit 1aauto.com, your place for DIY auto repairs, for great parts, great service, and more content.